clicking on this video was one of the best decisions you made since you're about to learn how you can go from zero to thousands of dollars online with one of the easiest methods so far. You don't have to invest any money and it works all over the world. So I want you to type in the comments down below. What would you do with that amount of money made online? What would you buy? Where would you travel? What would you try? What would you give to your loved ones? And many more. Type it down in the comments below. Now make sure to watch every second of this video because everything will be explained step by step. And you don't want to miss the crucial parts and bonuses which I will be giving you throughout the video until the end. Get ready because we are starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Step number 1, go over to google.com. Step number 2, now you want to think of 1 million different searches you can type in the search bar. And you mainly want to focus on something that represents a business or a store or any type of business that makes money. This can be anything from a dentist, private classes, whether piano, boxing, yoga, and so on and so forth. You can search for hosting services, cleaning services, or any type of services you can think of. About restaurants, about best jeans, best work from home jobs, best of any type of courses, how to lose weight, best finance books, and so on and so forth. Anything that you can think of. So, let me show you one example. Let's say I'm gonna search for work from home. I'm gonna search for that keyword, and as soon as you search, you will be able to come across a bunch of people advertising their websites. And the reason they're doing that is because they're either selling something or they're promoting some offer. But either way, they're making money. Now these guys on the first page are obviously getting loads of traffic and they're earning decent amount of money. But if you are going to go to the second or third page or even the fourth and fifth, then you will see a bunch of websites but they're getting significantly less traffic. And that way, they're losing a lot of money and a lot of potential clients. I mean, it's so rare that anyone goes to the second page of Google, right? That it even became a meme of people making fun of the second page of Google. So today, you will help those guys rank on page number 1. But no, you will not have to provide any service to them. You will not have to do the work for them. And you don't need to be an SEO expert because this website will pay you over $200 for every website that you refer to them. And you'll literally have millions of websites like this one on Google. So this is a massive potential and it can earn you big money in a really short period of time. And all you have to do is just search Google. I mean, if you follow all the steps from this video and you take action fast, then you have a potential to start earning today. By the end of this day, you could be in profits. So just pay close attention until the end. Anyways, step number 2 is to search for some of those keywords and go to the second, third, or any other pages of Google that isn't number 1. Step number 3. Now you want to go over to a website called semrush.com. This is an online tool that is used by a handful of website owners with the purpose of ranking their websites to the top of Google results because people that run those websites obviously know how much they can benefit by being at the top of the search results in Google. So SEMrush is a software to which they can sign up and rank their website to the top, ultimately skyrocketing their visitors sales, and income. And what's even more, this tool is trusted by massive companies. That only proves how beneficial they are. Some of the biggest companies in the world are using SEMrush to rank their website and get it to page number 1. Now for step number 3, I recommend you to go through the website and learn more about how it works and how we can benefit from other people. That's all you have to do for now. Now for step number 4, once you've read more about SEMrush, just scroll all the way down to the bottom and click right here where it says Affiliate Program. Underneath the More Tools section, they will redirect you to the second page where you can see that you will get paid $200 for each person that you refer over to SEMrush. If you refer 10 people, that's already $2,000. And you saw that options on Google are endless. You can search for like millions of keywords and never run out of website that needed this. Now, stay tuned so I can show you how to get those website owners to sign up to this tool so you can make money online. And I mean, the best thing about affiliate marketing programs is that you don't need to do anything. You just need to share your affiliate link with a potential customer, and if they sign up, you make money. You don't have to create a product, complete the service, sell, host a website, handle customer support, or anything like that. It's super easy and it works really well. Now, the way affiliate program works is you can join for free. You can start advertising your affiliate link in a way that I will show you, and you can collect your earnings. Once again, you just need 10 signups to make $2,000. Now for step number 5, sign up to their affiliate program by choosing unique username, creating a password, and selecting your country from the list. Once you fill out all of those boxes, you will need to enter more details about yourself, and it will take you approximately 5 minutes to sign up, and you'll be able to grab your affiliate link. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Once you grab your affiliate link, step number 6 is to go back to Google, do your research, go to second, third, or any other page that isn't number 1, and you can open up any of those websites. Now let me show you how easy it is to contact the website owner and offer them your affiliate link. You can open up any of those websites and you will just look for their contact page or any contact info, whether that's an email address, a Facebook page, Instagram page, WhatsApp number, Viber, or anything else, where you can send them a message, and in most of the cases, it will be at the bottom of the page. But it sometimes happens that they put it at the top of the page. So all you have to do is find their contact details and message them something along the lines of, "Dear Sir or Madam, and my name is," then tell your name. "I'm a digital marketing expert helping website owners rank higher in Google, get more visitors, get more clients, and more." You can, of course, think of whatever might work the best for you and craft your own message. You can talk about all of the benefits that ranking higher in Google can have for them. You can talk about all the customers they're losing by not ranking on Google. You can also tell them about all the sales that they're missing out and all the money they can earn if they rank number 1 on Google. And of course, at the end of your message, just tell them that you can recommend them a tool that pretty much does the work for them and is proven to boost websites to the first page of Google. And just paste your affiliate link. You can draft your own message and then basically copy and paste it again and again for all those different website owners. And I highly recommend you to change from time to time just to see what works and what doesn't. You know what works better and what gets you a lot of sales. And then, of course, since you're helping those people by recommending them a tool that will boost their online business, skyrocket their sales, they will not only become really thankful, but they will invest to higher plans on SEMrush, which will make you even more passive income. People who run websites are already established businesses willing to invest, and it's proven that they have higher budget. And since it takes you less than 60 seconds to reach out to those websites, you can do it again and again every single day to reach out to hundreds of websites. And even if you just get a couple of signups per day, that's still going to be a lot of money. So you can refer 5 people, that's $1,000. 10 people, that's $2,000, and so on and so forth. But it's obviously not going to fall from the sky. You need to put in work, time, effort, and patience. But it's completely doable. And it's a great business model because you're helping those businesses grow and you're making bunch of money in the back end through affiliate marketing. So it seems like win-win. So once again, just search for many different keywords in Google and copy and paste your affiliate link in script. The more you do it, the better you'll become and more money you will earn. Well, I usually give you guys full script to what I think would be the best message to send those website owners. But I don't want to do it this time because they wanted to leave you space for creativity. And who knows, you might create a way better script that sells SEMrush a lot faster. But if you'd like me to write a script for you, let me know in the comments down below and I might put one in the description of this video. And speaking of video, that's it for this one. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and see you in some of the next videos.